guys, so we're here at Roodekoppies. My first time fishing the dam. Been a while off the water, so I'm very excited to be back on. As you can see here behind me, I've got the water snake geo spot that I'm busy testing out. I fitted it on the motor while we were all moving and all that stuff. So guys, like I said, it's been a while. We've been busy with the move. I've changed jobs and all that type of things. So yeah, done some upgrades to the boat, now being more in most people's valley. We're here in Joburg side now, so yeah, we'll be fishing the dams you fish. You'll get to see how I attack maybe the dams that you guys have fished before. Maybe I get success, maybe I need some tips from you guys, but yeah, let's see how the day goes and let's catch some fish. On that first fish. I was starting to think we might blank today. Fighting algae. Not too small. A little dinker, but better than nothing.
Zoom Z-Crawl for California for 20. There we go.
Fish is a fish.
Fish is a fish. Catch and release, guys. There he goes.
Nice.
There's a better one.
I'm getting outfished here, guys. Shannon on with fish number 2. She wants to lose him in the motor. It's the same fish, babe. It's the same fish.
Oh, he's feisty. Check his fin there.
Only smaller than the first one.
Is he?
Yeah. First one.
Again, Zoom Z-Crawl, California 420. It's my go-to bait lately. Never fails me. There we go. He's very square. Check it.
Yeah.
Alright. Let him go. Lekker. Oh, they're small but feisty. Oh, he's got a bit more belly to him though.
As you can see, I'm fishing a weightless wacky, Gary Yamamoto. I'm not sure on the color. It's got some red flake in it and it's very dark. It's dark green. And then it got me a little bassy, little dinker. Alright, let's let him go. That's my first one for the day. Give us a jump. No jump. She's at it again. On. There we go.
Here's a better one actually.
Yeah, it is the better. I think that's probably the best one for the day so far.
Yeah. Oh, he's swallowing.
Oh yeah. Was he hungry?
Yeah. Was. Okay, it's not too bad. I'll get it out.
No, that's not a bad one at all.
Yeah.
That's better.
Let's get this hook out of it. Ooh. You're gonna have to do some surgery, yeah? Alright guys, Dee did some surgery, so he managed to save the fish, put it back in the water, and luckily he swam off. He did swallow the hook in his stomach, so we were a little bit concerned, but yeah, he seemed alright. We put him back and he swam right off immediately, so Sorry, we didn't get that on video.
It was a little bit too much.
Time was of the essence.
Surrounded by stumps. Yo, this guy's gonna make my day bad if he moves around. Trying to get his head
In
out.
that net, yeah.
Relax. Alright guys, I just caught this beauty. Better fish for the day, 1.2 kilos. And yeah, I'm elated. Been grafting for this fish. Finally got out of the algae in the main dam area. And yeah, so now let's get him back. And hopefully we can catch an even bigger one.
Wait.
Alright guys, there's another small one. Fishing the jerkbait, moving around through the dam now. Just having a look, and probably one of the most beautiful bays I've ever fished. And there's a small little champion. Look.
Okay guys, we're literally on top of a huge school of bass. I'm going to slowly lower into the water. Oh my goodness, there's so many. It is so far away from the camera. Oh, how's the timing? I just pressed record. Oh, you hooked him weird. You hooked him on his side, shame.
This is about to be the most bass I've ever caught in one day. There might not be quality, but a definite quantity. Guys, this is so exciting. There's like a school of 200 bass. They're basically this size, so it's not monsters, but just chilling under the boat the whole time. And I can literally, okay, let me show you. This has been going now for about 6-7 casts. Just cast it out there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he went for it. There we go. Oh. And that's cast for cast right now. Every cast is like that, but it's the size of my lure. But it's still fun, and it's still great considering the day started a little bit slow, being in the algae, and we didn't know the dam. But this is good fun. I actually feel like I should take this something that's not treble hooks, because these things are getting hooked in the sides. They're so small. They can't even swallow it. They cannot swallow.
That Zika of mine's ripped, eh? Let me take another one. We're down 2 Zika today. But at the rate these little fish are going.
What? Yeah, we got that on camera. I threw it back and jumped back in the boat.
What?
Yeah, I threw it in the water and jumped back in. Please tell me you can see that on the camera.
But at the rate these little fish are going.
What? Yeah, we got.
These ones are so small, bro. Like one's so small, I could probably use it as a livey. What did you just hook?
Oh, it's a bigger bass.
Really?
It's a bigger bass.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it's a bigger bass.
Okay. I have a small bass on the. Okay.
That's a bigger bass.
Yes.
There goes my.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. Stay at the back though, because I have a loose bass on the front of the boat. Oh, the chair's on top of the net. Okay.
It's a big.
Oh, that is a nice one. Yes, babe. That is good. Okay.
God, so soft.
I can't see.
Finesse fishing.
I need you to bring him.
He's not coming. He's refusing.
Yes! There we go. Woohoo!
Oh, this has just been awesome. This is why I fish. As if it always goes like, oh, I'm gonna, oh no, it's just down the top of his, oh, and I was like, oh, he won't come off the car. That thing's just barely hooked.
Swallow the GoPro. Okay, while you attend to that, I have someone waiting for me on the front of the boat. Okay, hang on. How did you put this camera? Was it like that?
You ready? It's the same size as that other one. Alright guys, it's been an awesome day, yeah, and I have to head back now. The wind's turned around and it's getting, I can see it looks like some lightning clouds rolling in and things, so I need to get off the water, start heading back home. But yeah, what an awesome day. Not much big fish, but we got a lot of fish. I mean, we caught 60 to 80 fish. You guys will see some of the footage of where we just cast for cast. It was all dings, but I mean, it's stuff that like that makes the day a little bit more interesting. So yeah, guys, I need to head back. So cheers, I hope you enjoy.